Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're well and you are relaxing and taking some time off. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you on how to make a YouTube video private from public, or the other way around. It's obviously for private from public. So first of all, you sign up to your YouTube channel, and then you go here on Creator Studio, and then when you open the tab, then you can see all your videos. And let's say you can choose any video and just go to this one, and you can see here on the top say edit. So we can edit the video here, we can make any changes we want, and we go here, you see visibility, public on the right hand side, and you can click edit video visibility status here. So when you click here, sorry, it's a bit slow. There we are. So you have here private, public, so you can tick here and then save the changes. It's simple as that. So if you want, for example, a video to be going private and then make another changes and put it back, and the same way to put it back on as public. So it's not really a big difficult. It's very useful when you want to make changes, when you publish a video and you know you're not sure, or you want to take it off and then put it back on. So this is a couple of things to to know and work around your YouTube. And of course, if you want to delete the video, you can go ahead and delete it, but I'm just saying now we're learning this simple tip on edit. And here you can make a lot of changes if you want, like edit the video or any other things, the titles, descriptions, and stuff like that. So that's it for me today. I hope you have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and connect with me on the social media. And please feel free to ask any questions below. Thank you.